To access free topic sheets, worksheets, or to book an online class, visit ilearneasy.co.uk. This, that, these, those. These are demonstratives. Demonstratives are used to point to specific people or things. This and that are singular. These and those are plural. This and these refer to things that are close. We can think of them as being here. These and those refer to things that are far away. We can think of them as being there. This is singular and it refers to something that is close. For example, this is my ball. You can see that there is only one ball and it's here. It's close to me. That is singular and it refers to something that is far away. For example, that is my ball. So we can see that there is only one ball and it's far away. It's over there. It refers to things that are close. For example, these are my balls. As we can see, there are 3 balls and they are here. They're close to me. Those is plural and it refers to things that are far away. For example, those are my balls. So as we can see, there are 3 balls and they are far away. They're over there.